was wondering if I should get the 1 terabyte organic light emitting diode Steam Deck 1 terabyte console, the OLED. I was comparing with other handheld games. I've always been a lover of handheld games, so join me as I unbox it. So it came in this rectangular, it's a cuboidal rectangular box. How do I open this? Okay, so there is this. And that's open. Oh, this looks fancy. Look at that. Yep, get this out of the way. So that's it. 1 terabyte Steam Deck OLED, organic light emitting diode. Your games in a whole new light. That's what it looks like. And this has to be some accessory. Let's open that. There we go. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, this is the charger. It comes with this really nice charger. Yeah, it feels really firm. USB-C, yeah, for charging. Okay, that's good. Let's keep that out of the way. And now the main console. That's it. Let's open that. Oh, okay. Comes with a carry bag. So it comes with a carrying bag. That's quite nice. I wanted that. Let's open that. Okay. Sometimes it's good to be very cautious when you're opening these things, just in case the game doesn't work, or there's a fault and you have to return it. So yeah, beautiful, isn't it? Look at the Steam Deck logo. What's here? There's something here. What's this for? Probably for carrying my accessory, I think. Battery. Yep. Tucked away in there. That's good. It's got this. What's this? What's the essence of this Velcro? We'll find out over time. Okay, so it's locked. You can see, sealed. So you wouldn't say, how do I open this? Probably use my pair of scissors. Yeah. So, cutting that. Yeah. Okay. So it came properly sealed. That's good. I'm quite impressed. Okay. So this Velcro is just an extra security. Fancy. Okay. There we go. I'm not sure if you can see everything. This is what it looks like. Look at this gorgeous looking console. Look at that. Look at that. Let me see if I can place it well so you can see. And you see the orange button. The OLEDs come with that orange button compared to the LCDs. So this is it. These are the buttons behind your controller. Buttons, R4, the L and R, Okay, the R1, R2 here. So the reason, actually, you can see it looks so sharp. These are your joysticks, the direction, your buttons. I mean, it looks so good, so sturdy. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at the volume. This is likely the volume, plus or minus. You can plug your headphone, head jack there. That's the charging ports. This is gorgeous, really. And the reason I actually chose this over the other ones, like the Asus ROG, Nintendo. There's a Nintendo Switch 2, and there is this other one. What's this one? This new one that's all over the place. The Lenovo Legion Go. I mean, the reason I went for this Steam Deck really is just because it's a full console. It's an all-in-one, solid console. the controller parts are not detachable. Most other consoles have detachable controllers. And I just didn't really want a detachable controller. I wanted a fully built all-in-one console. That's my whole idea, of a handheld game, really. So that was what influenced my choice. And obviously I want to be playing Windows games, PC games on these. I'll download and play my PC games. And I just didn't want to buy a mini computer, because most other ones, like the Asus Ally and the Lenovo Legion Go, are mini Windows computers, and obviously handheld games. So I just wanted a full handheld game, not a mini computer. Even though I can download the Windows onto these as well, from what I understand, the information I gather. So I hope you like it. It looks gorgeous. It looks beautiful. Tell me what you think. Have you got one? Is it something you want to consider in 2025, or would you rather wait for the Nintendo Switch 2? I mean, it looks good. I can now travel with my handheld game. Let's switch it on. Just in case it doesn't work, I'll begin the process of returning it. Let's switch it on and see. Okay. Yeah, it's coming on. Let's see. Still, you can see the light there flashing. But the screen hasn't come on yet. Yeah, it's coming on. You can see that. Yeah. So the thing about OLED is it's an organic light emitting diode, different from the liquid crystal display LCD. So what the thing with OLED is that the black is fully black, so you don't really get much reflection, especially when you're in poor lighting or when you're excessively bright lighting. Your screen still remains really bright. That's the beauty of the OLED, or the advantage of OLED over the LCD. Is it worth the extra £150, £200 or dollar? We'll get to see. We'll get to find out. I mean, I'm not a game freak, but I really want something that is just amazing. Let's see if we can increase the volume. Yeah, so this is English, it's touch screen, fancy, that's good. And obviously I'll go through the whole process of doing my setup, the timing, choosing the right time zone, and then obviously downloading my games. In the meantime, I'll just put that off. Okay, it has to be hold. Yep, hold for a few seconds and it's off. Ta-da!